Next thing you're going to want to do is to open the motor box. In the top of the motor box, you're going to have the pulley cover, an extra set of brushes, an extra fuse, and the mounting hardware. Then you will have the motor. Discard the box. This is your servo motor. You have a 110 volt plug in the back for a light. The power cord plugs into a regular house socket. The on-off switch for the fuse. And the speed control. Speed control faces the front of the machine. You also have a motor direction switch. In this case, with the DDL 8700, you do not have to touch it. Leave it where it's at. Okay, you're going to have extra hardware that is not in with this motor to make it easier to mount. You've got 5/16 bolts that are going to go into these 3 slots and into these 3 anchors. You're also going to have rubber mounts that will just help with vibration control. Again, lock washer goes next to the bolt head, flat washer, and then you're going to put the rubber mount on. You're going to put a small end here up toward the bolt head as such. It is easier to go ahead and put the back 2 mounts in the anchors. Slide the motor in from the side. Make sure the washers are on top of the motor frame. Then put the 3rd one in. Okay, the motor has adjustment left and right. You're going to want to line the center of this pulley up with the center of this slot. That's where your belt is going to go. When you tighten the bolts down, tighten them down just enough to flatten the lock washer. You don't have to smash the rubber vibration belt all the way down.